Hello YouTube, Shutdown is back with another great tutorial. In today's tutorial is about how to fix a computer automatically restart after shutdown on Windows computer. So for this video we are going to cover 5 solutions for all Windows operating system, Windows 11, Windows 10 or other version of Windows operating system. So let's start from solution number 1. Solution number 1 is performing a power troubleshooter. So to perform a power troubleshooter, click here under the search icon and type here settings. So here the settings, then open the settings, and on the settings you will find the system option, and under the system on the bottom you will find troubleshooter. So select the troubleshooter and again click here other troubleshooter, and after that scroll down to the bottom and you will find power and run. Here is the power and run, so click on run. So it will start diagnosing failures related with the power. So as you can see here, it's checking wireless adapter setting and other settings inside the power option. So wait patiently until it will finish detecting and solving the power related problems. So after you make a power troubleshooter, and if you cannot find a solution for your problem, then the second solution is editing the power option. So to edit the power option, again click here the search icon and type control panel. So here the control panel, then open the control panel. So after you open the control panel, you will find here power option. But if you cannot find the power the control panel section like this, just go here view by and select large icons. So then you will find your power options here and open the power options. Then after that on the left top corner you will find choose what the power button do, then open that, and again here click change settings that are currently unavailable. So click that, and if this turn on fast startup is ticked, then uncheck it. If it is like this, just remove the tick and select here save changes. So all the settings are saved under the power option, and close it and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, the next solution is changing settings on advanced system setting. So again click here the search icon and type here advanced system settings. So you will find here view advanced system settings, then open that, and after you open that, here you will find settings under the performance, under user profile and startup and recovery. So click under the startup and recovery settings. Then after that you will find here system failure, which is automatic restart option. So uncheck this one, automatically restart, uncheck that and select here OK and close your system properties also. So check back whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, so solution number 4 is making a change under the device manager. Again, to make a change, click here the search icon and type here device manager, and here you will find the device manager option here, and open the device manager. Then after you open the device manager, then go to here network adapter option. Here you will find the network adapter. Click on the arrow and click on the network adapter that you find. In my case it's Realtek, in your case it will be different adapter. So click on it, right click on it and select properties. So after you select properties, then go here power management, and after that again here allow the device to wake the computer, then uncheck this one and click here OK and close the device manager and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video is changing the values under the registry editor. So to change the values under the registry editor, again, click here the search icon and type here registry editor. So here the registry editor available. So open the registry editor and it will ask you a confirmation, then select yes. And after that, here you find the registry editor. So here I have some paths. So you will use this path. I will put the link of this notepad under the description box. So first we will use this path, this computer, HK local machine system, current control set, control session manager, then power. Copy this path and clear here the path and paste it here. So after you paste it, then press enter. Then power, here it directs us to the power option and find for there, which is hyperboot enabled. Set the value to 0. So here is the hyperboot enabled. So double click on it, and in my case the value is already 0. If in your case if it is 1, 2, 3 or any value, just type the value 0 and make sure it's hexadecimal and select OK. Then after that, go here and use the second path, which is computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT current version, and Win logon. Copy this one, this path, and again here, then paste it here. So after you paste it here, then press enter. So we are under Win logon here, as you can see, Win logon here. Then set the value of this power down after shutdown to 1. So again we will open here and find power down here. Power down after shutdown is here. So double click on it and make the value to number 1. So select number 1 and click here OK. Then close your registry editor. Then restart your computer. Restart, check whether the problem is solved or not. So this is all about on how you can solve a computer automatically restarts after shutdown. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Shutdown out.